Yep, guys. Okay, guys, trade was profitable. Simply do this. So, hello guys and welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Michael and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, my dear friends, I would like to show you one of the coolest strategies for the binary options market. And if you want to know how to make millions on the market, let's watch this video. Okay, my friends, so today I'm going to use several indicators. So first of all, zigzag indicator, after this Donchian channel indicator and stochastic oscillator. So now give me some minutes while I'm adding stochastic and Donchian channel to my platform. It will take just several minutes. Okay, so guys, everything is done, everything is well configured. Now let's open the first trade. So we're opening by position according to the current trend movement from the zone of interest, and now I am expecting the price to continue growing. So we have invested our $5 here, and give me just a few time to see the results. As you see, we are using only short time period of just 1 minute, and we are investing our whole deposit in each trade so that we can save our time and enlarge our deposit as fast as possible. So, okay guys, the first trade was done, it was profitable. Now let's think about the next one. For now we have $9.25 in our account. So here we have a low volatility movement, and we're opening buy position from the middle line of the Donchian channel, expecting the potential growth. So $9 are invested here, and let's wait just 1 minute until we see the results. Perfectly done, my friends. We have around $17 in our account. Now let's move forward. Now I'm going to open buy position according to the current price movement. Price has reached the middle line of the Donchian channel. This middle line acts like the support line, and from that zone we will highly likely start growing towards the upper edge of the Donchian channel indicator. So that's why I have opened the buy position here. Okay guys, so I have changed our investment to $32, and I'm going to open buy position according to the current trend movement from the demand zone towards the middle line of the Donchian channel. So yep, as you can see, price has reached the middle line of the Donchian channel indicator. This is also a demand zone, and after this we will highly likely start growing towards the upper edge of the Donchian channel indicator. Everything is very simple. Yep, guys, so you can clearly see that this trade was profitable. It was done exactly to my perfect analysis. Yep, and now we are going to proceed to the next trade that we will have for today. Our current deposit is around $60. Now I have changed our investment to $59, and let me choose the next currency pair that we will use today. Let's check USD INR currency pair. So guys, as you can see, price has reached the new maximum, the new highs After this, I've opened buy position here, expecting the continuation of the current upgoing movement. Price, as you can see, has reached the demand zone, which is near the middle line of the Donchian channel indicator. We have the same kinds of situation like in the previous trade. Nothing has changed, and yep, this trade was profitable one. We have around $111 in our account. That's quite good. Now let's continue and think about the next trade. So let's change our investment to $111. So here, guys, as you can see, price has reached the new highs, and now we can expect a short-term downgoing correction. That's why I have opened right now the sell position with investment of $111. And we will highly likely drop right now. Just give us some time. Okay, guys, so the first trade here was a draw, and now I would like to try the same kinds of trade once again because the formation does not change. We have the same kinds of formation, and we will highly likely drop. I'm sure in that. That's why I'm opening the same trade like right now. I'm opening the sell position with investments of $111 once again, and together with that I have already shown this to you. Stochastic Oscillator is also telling us that price will highly likely drop. And by the way, guys, while you're watching this video, don't forget to check the description to it, because here you will find amazing and cool Telegram link for my private TG, in which you will get access to my daily analytics, my daily trading signals, and the educational materials that will help you to upgrade your skills and experience in the sphere of trading. And the most important thing is that if you write me a private message in the Telegram telling me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel in Telegram, in which you will get access to the same kind of trading online sessions, and you will get real trading signals each day at the scheduled time from me. You will follow them and get real cash, real money each fucking day. Each day, my friends, you will get real cash and real money. All you need is just write me a private message in the TG and subscribe to my Telegram channel. Link for it you can find in the description, and you must understand one thing: everything is for free. So don't lose this chance, don't lose this opportunity. Be with me right now. Okay, my friends, so here I'm opening sell position with an investment of $211. We have a very strong downgoing impulse, which is breaking through the middle line of the Donchian channel, which used to be the support line. However, now it's broken, and price will continue dropping more and more towards the bottom of the Donchian channel. So yep, that's it. We have open sell position. Now we're just waiting for the results. Okay, guys, so we have changed our investment to $390. This trade was profitable one. So what do we have here? Price has broken through the middle line of the Donchian channel. We have a low volatility movement, and that's why let's try to open a sell position in continuation of this downgoing movement. So we're investing our $390. Okay, my friends, this trade was profitable. Now let's think about the next one. I have changed my investment to $730. So let's check how you see the currency pair. As you can see, we can observe the candle formation named double peak. Double peak formation is telling us that price now will highly likely drop, and we're opening sell position here with investment of $730. So double peak is a very strong candle formation that always gives you a very strong signal for the short position. And as you can see, price is falling, price is dropping, and I was absolutely right. Double peak formation works really good. Okay, let's change our investment to $1,000. This trade brought us our money. Let's think about the next trade. Let's check Euro GPI currency pair. I guess we should open sell position because we have now the pullback towards the interest zone inside the Donchian channel. After this, price will highly likely drop. That's why I have opened sell position right now with investment of $1,000. So my friends, now let's continue. We have the flat movement and price has reached the support line, which is the middle line of the Donchian channel. From that zone, I have opened two buy positions with investment of $1,000 each one. So totally I have invested $2,000 here, expecting the potential growth right now. Okay guys, this trade was profitable one. Everything is fine. We have around $4,000. Oh shit, I have just seen this number. We have $4,000, my friends. We started with just $5 and we turned this $5 into 4,000. Oh shit, that's so fucking cool. That's why I love binary options, because only this market can help you to make such profits. $4,000 from $5 just within 10 minutes. Oh shit, oh my goodness, that's so fucking cool. Okay guys, so what I think that we should open the last trade for today. Will be the last one. I'm opening sell position because I can clearly see a very strong bearish down going impulse, which is breaking through the middle line of the Donchian channel, and of course this is a very strong signal for the short position for us. Okay, and I have opened sell position with investment of $3,000 here. Everything is very simple. This will bring us our money. So if you want to trade like this, you can simply do this. All you need is just subscribe to my private TG, and link for it you will find in the description. Look at the screen right now. We have $7,000. If you want to trade like this, subscribe to my TG, be with me, be a millionaire, and you will be God blessed. You even now are God blessed because you watch this video with me, and I will help you to become rich man. Thank you for your attention guys, and bye bye.